In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Shopify newsletter subscribers to Kit. To start, you first need to open your Kit dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for the section called Automate Apps. This is where Kit manages connections to other tools. When you click into Automate Apps, you should see a list of available integrations. Take a moment to find Shopify in that list. Then click Install. This step matters because it is what enables the two platforms to communicate and begin syncing subscriber information. After you have clicked Install for Shopify, the next thing you will do is connect your Shopify store. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure you type the correct address for the store you want to connect. Then follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission. During this step, Shopify will ask for access so Kit can read relevant customer and marketing consent information. Pay attention to the permissions screen and confirm the setup when prompted. When you successfully complete this, the integration should be connected, and you will be taken to the integration settings where you can control what gets synced. Now that the Shopify connection is in place, you will want to choose your sync behavior. In the integration settings, you will see an option that lets you select whether to sync all Shopify customers or only those who accept marketing. This decision is important because it determines how Kit builds your subscriber audience. If you choose to sync all Shopify customers, Kit will bring in more people, including those who may not have marketing consent. If you choose to sync only those who accept marketing, Kit will focus on subscribers who have opted in. To stay aligned with common consent expectations, many people prefer the marketing acceptance option. Select the setting that matches your email practices and make sure it is set exactly how you want. With syncing behavior configured, you can now set up how subscribers are organized inside Kit. The next step is to create an automation rule that applies a specific tag to these subscribers. A tag is simply a label inside Kit that helps you categorize people and control messaging later. In the example, you can apply a tag such as Shopify Customer. Use the tag name you want, and ensure the rule is targeting the subscribers that come from your Shopify newsletter connection. This step matters because the tag will become a reliable way to segment your audience, such as sending specific campaigns to only Shopify-connected subscribers. Once the tag rule is ready, you will finalize the setup and start the actual transfer. In the integration flow, look for a button like Save or Sync. Click Save or Sync to begin moving the subscriber data from Shopify into Kit based on the settings you selected earlier. At this point, Kit may start syncing immediately, or it may run a background sync process. If there is a progress indicator or confirmation message, wait for it to complete so you know the connection is working properly. After syncing begins, you can return to your Kit subscriber or audience area later to confirm that the tagged subscribers are appearing as expected. If anything seems off, the first place to check is your integration settings, especially the marketing acceptance choice and the tag rule. When those match your intended configuration, the sync should align with your expectations. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.